Next, we want to talk about inserting and deleting rows and columns, as well as deleting the entire table. So if I wanted to delete the entire table, sometimes there's reasons to do that. You can go up here to delete and notice there's an option to delete table. Logic might tell us that you select the table and hit delete, but that leaves some residual cells occasionally. If I wanted to insert more rows, notice I have options for above and below. So if I want to insert above, obviously it puts another row in here. If I want to insert something to the right, it does that. If I want to delete a column, notice it deletes that column back out. So pretty straightforward. Once we have some information in the table, then we'll see what it looks like with data in there. Other things that we want to be aware of is, notice on the ruler bar you see these little squares here. These just show the separations or where the columns actually are. So you'll see a little bit different things going on up on your ruler bar. Also, again, we're still under Table Tools Layout, but if I switch over here to Table Tools Design, you can see that again we have those styles and other things we can do. We can apply shading and we can apply borders. Now I want you to notice that by default borders are turned on, so you can see they're turned on here from this button. And if I hit the drop down arrow, it shows you all the borders that are turned on. The reason I need to mention that is this is a default choice obviously, and borders are something that actually print. So if I wanted to print the table out, all the borders have to be turned on. Sometimes in a face-to-face class on campus, an instructor may have a sign-in sheet. Oftentimes they're done with a table in Microsoft Word and they have the borders turned on. They just put their titles up there and print it out, and you have columns to sign your name and other information on there.